Welcome to Spellbinders February 2026 Large Die of the Month Spring Specs. Let's look at the dies included in this kit. This die cuts the bunny face. Add the blush and the nose cut separately. These dies cut the ears and the pink ear inserts. This die cuts the top part of the body. These dies create a necktie. The blush dies, if cut from black cardstock, can also be adhered behind the eyes. These dies create the glasses with various sentiment inserts, Happy Easter or Happy Spring. You'll need to cut each piece once with and without the insert and adhere the two together. Also cut the connector piece and adhere pieces together to create the glasses for your bunny. We also included flowers and leaves to dress up your bunny. Die cut these from various colors of cardstock and embellish your bunny die kit. Next, let's make a card. This bunny is very large and works wonderfully for various card sizes. Create a 5x7 card base from white cardstock and peridot embossed card front using our February 2026 3D embossing folder of the month. Foam mount the bunny die cut on top and embellish your card with teal enamel dots. And enjoy! Thank you for joining Spellbinders Clubs. Have fun creating!